You ain't ever gonna beat me in that pretty boy truck.
Damn it, Bobby, you're gonna kill someone driving like that.
Man, what's your problem? You got your back waxed?
Hey, guys. Sun's going down in a couple hours. Let's get a few hours of fishing in before I set up camp.
Come on, Gramps, we're just trying to have some fun here.
Shut up. Just, Bobby, get the gear.
I got the drinks.
I got the real drinks.
Just try to ignore me.
Come on, sissies.
Alright, we'll give him another half hour, and then Bobby, you go to Sheriff O'Reilly.
Me? Why me?
Because he was your fishing partner, and you lost him.
It ain't my fault he can't find his ass with both his hands. I'm out of gas.
Maybe you can drive like a freaking lunatic all the
You
time.
know what, Gramps?
Hey, don't
Hey,
take
God,
it.
you get your butt out there. You get your butt out there and fuck. What the hell was that?